Dentist or dental prosthetist? Which one should you go to when you're getting your denture? And look, it's a good question because until you actually know, this is the first time you're on your denture journey, you might be confused in what is the difference. Now, I will let you in on a few things about your question. They both can do dentures. A dentist and a prosthetist are both highly qualified to get a denture made for you. The difference is a dentist knows much more things in the mouth in regards to things like extractions, doing crowns, doing veneers, root therapy, and all those type of things. Whereas a dental prosthetist focuses on one thing, and that is dentures. So you could say that both people are going to be able to help you 100%. The only difference is a dental prosthetist just focuses on dentures. Now they spend many years perfecting their art and craft because most prosthetists will actually make the dentures themselves. The difference is with a dentist is they will take the molds and then they will send that out to their chosen dental laboratory. Now, it's up to you which way you want to go, and many patients have had good results going through a dentist. But also, many patients have great results going through a dental prosthetist. So whether you choose a prosthetist or a dentist, the process is going to be very similar. You will start off with your consultation. You will then start off with your measurements of the jaw, and this is where the professional will take a mold of your mouth. The molds will actually get sent to a dental laboratory. And this is where the difference is. A dentist will send it off. Now it may be in the same town, it may be interstate. And in many cases, they actually send them overseas. Whereas a dental prosthetist, a lot of times will just walk it to the room next door and they will service and make your denture in that same building. Now, whether you choose to go to one or the other, it's still very important that you have a regular system when you go and see your dentist. Because even when you've got your denture made, a dental prosthetist is going to be able to repair the denture, be able to look after and maintain the denture, but you still need the most important thing looked after, and that's your teeth. So this is where regular checkups, 6 months minimum and 12 months maximum, is you want to be seeing your dentist to get the care for your teeth. Because at the end of the day, that is the reason why you're in the chair getting dentures. And if you can actually prevent needing to get more teeth added to the denture, then this is going to be the best bet for you. So having that relationship with a dentist that you trust is super critical, even after dentures. Now, of course, unless you have full dentures, which is full top and full bottom, then obviously you don't need a dentist in that case, but you still need one even if you have several teeth left. Now, I want to cover, is there a benefit on seeing a dentist first if you're getting a partial denture and then going to see the prosthetist? And my answer would be yes. The benefit would be the dentist will be there to make sure that the remaining teeth are suitable, are strong enough to carry and support a denture. And they can also find problems before they get to a point of no return. So by maintaining the natural teeth with that relationship with the dentist, you can then go to a dental prosthetist and then they can begin to fit and make your new denture. Now, I think it depends on which area you are in, but by going to a dental prosthetist, you may find you'll get the work a little bit less than if you went to the dentist. And it's simply the fact because you're actually cutting out the middleman. So the dental prosthetist will have room to move and be able to make the denture at a more affordable price. But that doesn't mean less quality. It just means there's no middle step. So the cost can be less, and those savings definitely get passed on to the patient. So there's a little bit about should you go to a dentist or a prosthetist. Now, there's no right or wrong, but there's a couple of things which may help you decide where to go when it's time for you to get your denture. Well, I hope I've helped you out there, and until next time, keep smiling.